Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M04. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's go to Wallet, and from the homepage of this app you can add payment cards, manage your passes, and add new passes like Transport Pass, Loyalty and Gift Card. If you go to menu, you've got access to your Google account, wallet tips, contactless setup, full list of participating banks, password manager, and settings. In contactless setup, you can set up payment card, check if NFC is on, if Google Pay is set as your default, if you've got a lock screen set, and if your phone meets security requirements. Now, you can check full list of participating banks for each country. And in Password Manager, you can manage all of your passwords saved to your Google account. In your data in Wallet, you can manage payments data and passes data. In Wallet settings, you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable review purchases, updates about your passes, and updates from Wallet and Google Pay. In the end, you can go to Help and Feedback. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.